Welcome back to Small Bee Acres. Today we're going to be setting up our grow operation.
It's not what it sounds like.
We should maybe rephrase that. We are going to set up. We're going to set up. What is it called?
Our plant starter shelf.
That's right, a plant starter shelf. We're going to start. So today, on our left here, would be your right. Okay. Anyways, over here, we're going to set up the shelving that we already have. The wheels are here, so we're going to set this up, and we're going to speed it up here as we get it put together.
And this room isn't very well lit for starting the plants, but we have grow lights that we have purchased that we're going to attach to the shelving, and hopefully that'll help them grow. We want to grow them in this room because it's where the wood stove is, so that's where it's going to be the warmest. And it being like March 6th, I think, is today. Starting so early, even having it by a window might be too chilly. So we want to have it in this room. Hey all, Tina here. I am trying to start a garden this year. So I've asked different friends in the neighborhood when to start my plants inside, hoping to have success outside. So I've just recently heard that onions, if you're going to do it from seeds, now is a good time to start onions. So that is what I want to do today. So what I'm going to do first off is I just have some basic seed starter dirt here. So I'm just going to put some into my bucket here. I'm going to pre-moisten it. Because it's too fluffy, it won't really hold the seed if I don't do that. And so you'll just have to bear with me as I'm scooping, and getting some dirt ready. And so I bought some seed onion because I need green onion for my salsa. And I just want to use a whole lot of onion once they're done. And my friend has said that she ran out of onions in mid-January. She had not planted enough. So we will do some seeds and some bulbs, and we'll see what we come up with. I'm just going to use my God-given tools. Live and learn. Okay, practice, right? Add more dirt if it's too wet. That's a good idea. All right, so we bought ourselves some, we just went to PD Mart, bought ourselves some onions. It says Valencia onions, Gusto Italia. I don't know if you can see that, but there's not a whole lot of seeds in there. I'm gonna put it in a little plate because they're so dark. You won't be able to see them on the counter in the midst of my very dirty fingers. So that's the gist of one little packet of onions. I don't know if you can see that. It won't give me a lot of trays of onions, but some. We'll try. So I think I'm going to put 3 of these little trays full of dirt. Hopefully that is enough. All right, and most of the time, the seeds say to just put like a few centimeters of dirt over the seeds. So that's not a whole lot, so we won't need to really pack it on. I'm going to put them in my hand and I'm just going to sprinkle them into the tray. That's it. All 3 trays have sprinkled onion seeds into them. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of dirt on top. Now this looks like a lot, doesn't it? Okay, a couple of sprinkles. It's hard to sprinkle moist dirt, but do your best. All you want is seed and dirt contact, right? So none of the seeds are exposed in any way. And then we're just going to give it a light pressing down. Oh, I see a couple of seeds exposed. Can't have that. We want them all to grow. With only there being like, how many seeds would have been in there? 40? We want to make sure that they all are well covered. And there you have it. And I've planted the onions. So let's see what comes of it.
Here comes the fun part. Do this. Okay, we have done this. Okay, there are the other ones. Okay, put the other side in. I'll hold this here. And do this. You got this. Oh, the other one escaped. What's going on here? Oh, okay, watch out, it's gonna come. Watch out behind you. Okay, one down. What happened? Hey.
You hey.
Hey. Hey. Quickly falling apart. I don't want to miss any business. I'm good over here. That was easy. Okay.
Voila!
The other one. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we're gonna wheel this beside the wood stove to keep it nice and warm so that the plants can have a nice start. Time to make a fire.
We sure hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and God bless. See you next time.
Does it pick up the smell of the coffee? Smell. Ah, you don't get none. Get coffee all to myself.
Hold on. Fred lost a piece.
We're having issues, technical difficulties. Today we are going
Do it again.